Hello, folks. I'm in the garage at home. We had well, I didn't show you this, but at the camp there, I've been trimming a lot of trees in the back, in the front, all over the place. Anything 4-inch and smaller. You see this here? I had it on the pole, but now I took it off. I installed a switch, a bypass switch here, and but this switch on it's still functional. What happened? You see this here? This is it's no big chainsaw, eh? It's a mini. This goes like that on here, okay, inside, and the chain travels on this. Well, this thing split open from the end. I think because I twisted the thing. It was in a tree, eh, and I wanted the tree to fall in a certain direction, so I twisted, and it fell, but I didn't. I had to go back with just a normal saw and finish it off, eh? Because this was disabled. So what I did is I ordered on Amazon. Well, first of all, the saw. I had bought that on Amazon for 89 bucks. Comes with 2 batteries, a little charger. Where's there a battery missing here? Anyway, it's somewhere. Oh, here it is. These are 24-volt batteries, by the way. But anyways, it comes with a little pair of gloves that's useless. And anyways, now this kit that I bought, I think it comes with 5 chains and two blades. So if they have kits like that, I guess they expect you. They expect you to muff up, and they know that these are gonna fall apart. It's no big deal, eh? It's I gotta watch it, eh? Because one time I put it together and I put the chain going the wrong way. Yeah, and if you put the chain going the wrong way, needless to say, it's not going to cut. Yeah, it's ooh, yeah. Hang on, forgive me for not talking there. I'm gonna slide this. Yeah, it goes the other way, eh? I think. Maybe not. Maybe it's a reverse screw. I'll have to check it out. Nah, hang on. I'll yeah. Hang on. Yeah, I come back from the camp because yeah, going up to the farm, not today, but eventually. And no, see, it's hang on. I'm gonna take this little blade off first of all, and then I'm gonna send this the right way. So I couldn't even see. Eh? I couldn't even see which way this screw was going, eh? It's now I see it, eh? And the one thing there, eh, that one shouldn't forget is you gotta oil these. And I'm saying that because well, maybe Forgot that I had to oil it, eh? You know, eh, it's the old saying, eh? Don't do as I do, do as I tell you to. Yeah. Geez, that's tight, eh? I'm gonna have to send that screw right to the bottom. There. Now it's yeah. I'll tell you something. She's right to the end. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is it's no big deal, eh? Oh, how's this go anyways? That goes like that. Okay. And this goes like this. There's just one nut holding that thing, and it's in plastic, eh? So, I mean, how good can it be, you know? I know there's one thing that, well, it kind of discourages me. Like, okay, first of all, I have to admit something. I have a tendency sometimes to exaggerate, eh? Like, this is not made for heavy duty work, eh? And ooh, I'm gonna slack this off a little bit. Oh, that's too much. I think that's perfect, eh? What do you guys think? There. Okay, now, hang on. Whoop, well, we're not going to run it. We're going to put some oil on it, eh? I got some WD-40. What I like to put on it is, well, I'm going to put some of this, and I'm going to put some that. It's fluid film. That's what I like to put on it, but first I'm going to put a little bit of release oil. Just now, hey, you're going to get some of this all over the place. I'm going to smell like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to smell like the guy that got hit by a train, eh? Hey, just like new. Just well, you can't get better than that. Smells like I'm not gonna say, but so I still see. I had bought 2 more chains. I had muffed up. I hit a rock with the other chains. I bought 2 more chains, eh? Well, okay, I have to admit something. These chains